So I decided to continue to repair. I decided to continue to try to repair these drawers by attaching this caster wheel. And in order to get this to fit in the slides in the drawer compartment, I've got to narrow the width from this top of this caster to the other one on the other side. I'm going to do that by cutting out a channel here, or mortise, or whatever you call it. So this is recessed farther, which will narrow the width from one caster wheel to the other. And I'll do that with my Dremel tile bit. Just kind of going back and forth here. I should get it. So I got that recess cut out, so this caster wheel will set further in, which basically narrows the width from the one on the other side of the drawer. Yeah. Okay, now I'm ready to screw that caster wheel in there. I like to put a little caulk on the screw to further, so it doesn't get loose later on. I got one of them in to the other one. Alright, got that one in. Now comes the moment of truth. Let's see if this will fit in there. Perfect. $8 and 3 hours to fix that.